Hi friends, this video shows how to connect POCO mobile phone to Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite. First, take Amazon Fire TV Stick Lite remote, then press and hold this menu button. Press and hold. Then select mirroring. Then keep the screen on. Please don't close it. Then in mobile phone, open settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Then select connection and sharing. Tap here. Then select wireless display. Tap here. Then turn on wireless display. Now it's searching for nearby devices. Please wait. So now it's showing Fire TV stick. Tap on that. Now it's connecting. Please wait. Okay, done. So if you want to switch display to full screen, you can enable screen rotation on mobile phone. Then just rotate the phone. So if you want to disconnect, again go to wireless display. Then tap on Fire TV stick. Then tap on disconnect. Now it's disconnecting. Okay, done.